Hi, I'm Tandan from Shakudo. I'm going to tell you about Grafana, which is available as a component on Shakudo. As many of you are aware, Shakudo is an operating system for data and AI. It brings together 250 plus best-in-class components in one secured environment. What it means is there is no DevOps, no AI ops or MLOps, no server management. You simply get tools that work. Let me start by showing you Grafana. It is available on Shakudo as a component. Grafana is an open source analytics and visualization platform that turns your data into interactive dashboards. It's become the industry standard for monitoring and observability. What makes Grafana powerful is its ability to connect to virtually any data source, whether it's time series database like Prometheus, SQL database like PostgreSQL, cloud platforms like AWS in Azure, or even custom APIs. You can simply connect to them and visualize that data in real time. So once we land over here on Grafana, the first thing that we notice are the dashboards, right? So here is a long list of dashboards, right? So dashboards are the heart of Grafana. They're a collection of panels that display your matrix, logs, data in a unified view. You can create dashboards for different purposes. So it you can create dashboards for different purposes like infrastructure monitoring, application performance, business KPIs, ML model tracker. So really anything where you need to understand what's happening in your system. The dashboards are fully interactive, updated in real time, and can be shared across your organization. Let me show you this dashboard in action. So here you can see that all of these are collapsed, but if I open it, you'll be able to see all these data. So here we on top of the page, we have some statistics that are there. These are critical stats that can be positioned over here at the top of the page. And then we have graphs, then we have, in the table format, we have some data. So all of this is available. And, there are more data points which are collapsed right now. These can be expanded. And if you look at it, here, the refresh is happening every 10 seconds. We can change this time. Similarly, we can change the zoom, we can change the duration for which we want to look at the data. We can change the data sources, we can change the namespace. All of this is available. Now, if let's look at what's under the hood. I'm going to click on edit and let me show you. So here I go for editing, and here if you look at that, the screen is such that this is the graph that is there. This is where the data is visualized. On the right hand side is a panel on from where it can be edited. So here you can select which is the type of visualization that you want. For example, you can select bar chart, you can let's stick to time series, right? And here you can go about editing practically every aspect of this graph, the visualization that is there. So, and at the bottom of this, you'll see that there are data sources, right? So if I click here, so Prometheus, Grafana allows you to connect to a wide range of data sources, right? So here it's Prometheus that we have selected for this. And then there is query. You can write the query or you can go in the builder mode and you can basically you can select it over here and, you don't even have to write the query. Grafana will do that for you. Similarly, you can go for transformation of data. If you add transformation, the data will be transformed the way you want. And similarly, you can put new alerts, right? So all of that can be done so that you receive the alert in due time. So you can customize nearly every aspect of how your data is displayed. What is the source of data? How is this transformed? How alerts? All of that can be done. And once you are done and save it, the dashboard is updated for everyone, right? So, and this kind of shows what Grafana can do. But the question that comes to mind is how is Shakudo relevant in all of this? I mean, Grafana is doing this, but what is Shakudo doing, right? But if you look at it, Shakudo provides you out of the box connection to your data sources, whether you are whether they are other tools running on the platform or external systems. All of this makes the setup incredibly fast, right? Shakudo takes care of all your infrastructure requirements. What this means is that you don't have to worry about DevOps, MLOps, or AI ops or infrastructure management. You simply focus on the functionality which is relevant to you. And finally, by running Grafana on Shakudo, you get enterprise grade reliability and scalability without the operational overhead. right? Isn't that amazing, right? You get all of that, but you don't have to worry about the heavy overheads that come with it. So with all of this, companies have been using Grafana and Shakudo to give their teams a powerful observability tool without the complexity of managing them. It's time that you used it too. Thank you.